What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and I am back with a makeup video. And in today's video I'm going to be doing 2 makeup looks inspired by probably some of my favorite Sanrio characters ever, My Melody and Kuromi. My Melody is very girly, there's a lot of pink, she's a very sweet character, and Kuromi is a little bit more mischievous and she's a lot more tomboyish. Let's go ahead and get into the first makeup look, which is going to be My Melody. Alright guys, so now I have my base done, so now I can focus on the eye makeup, and I think it would be perfect if I just use this Hello Kitty palette because they're both Sanrio. I think I want to use this color, and then maybe I can use another pink, maybe. Actually want to add some eye bags or aegyoso, as you guys might know it. Basically just makes your eyes look bigger. It really plays into that like dolly kind of makeup look, kind of makes you look like a living doll, so I'm gonna do that. I use this palette a lot, and basically what I do is I just kind of get this dark shade right here, maybe mix in a little bit of that to darken it up, go underneath my eye to make the eye bag. I'm gonna use this By the Rose ColourPop palette, and it just has a lot of nice shimmers in it, so I'm just going to use this, accentuate it, and make it pop. Okay guys, so now I'm going to do a little tiny wing. Okay, so before I put on the lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and use, bless me, I'm gonna go ahead and use this blush. So I'm just gonna do a little bit to get that perfect blushed look. Cut the cameras.
Cut the cameras. Deadass.
This is looking so cute. I literally look like a doll with this. So the last step of this My Melody makeup is the lips. Alright guys, here is the My Melody makeup done. I think I ate this one up. This one is so cute. It makes me really curious as to how the Kuromi makeup is going to turn out. Really cute. It's really dolly. I have a feeling that the Kuromi one is going to be fire. So let's go to that one. Now it's time for the Kuromi makeup. I have the perfect palette for this. This is the All Amethyst ColourPop palette, and I just think it has amazing purples on it. So I think I want to use this or this and maybe incorporate some of these darker purples. This one's gonna be a lot less cute. I feel like Kuromi is a lot more tomboyish than My Melody, so that's why I want to use a lot of darker colors and not pink. Okay guys, so for this look, I wanted this to be a smoky eye. So I went ahead and added some more black. I already had some black on there, but I added a little bit more to make this a lot more dramatic and a lot more smoky. And I also redid my eyebrows because I didn't really like how they were looking. But now I'm actually going to go on to the lips, and I want this one to be a lot more darker. So let's go ahead and go on to that. This makeup ate so hard. Let me know in the comments which one served the hardest, the My Melody look or this Kuromi look, because I'm kind of on the fence. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was so much fun. I love Sanrio. I love Sanrio characters. I love My Melody and Kuromi, and this video was so fun to make. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.